Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off app ads in laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to open your settings. Now click on personalization. Now scroll down and go to start. Here you can see show recommendations for tips, shortcuts, new apps and more. You just have to turn off this button. So this is how you can turn off app ads in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.